Unboxing my new
What is going on,
AirPods Pro 3.
My name is Lay Chris, or you can call me Chris. So, another day, another budol. Hi everyone, so today's video is ayan. I-share ko sa inyo yung na-purchase natin or na-pre-order natin sa Power Mac SM Jensen. So ayan guys, so all the way ako doon papunta sa Power Mac Center. Ayan, so katatapos lang ng aming job order na day. Ayan, so now, ayan. So, nasa Power Mac tayo, ayan. So, there you go guys. Nakuha ko na from Power Mac. Ayan, so nasa SM Jensen tayo. Ayan, so, I think, I think sa The Loop and Power Mac is wala pang stock. Last 2 weeks ago, and ngayon lang dumating yung kanilang pre-order na AirPods Pro 3. Ayan, so honestly guys, sa Beyond the Box meron na, and sa SM Lanang and Abriza is 2 times na pumunta ng Davao, available na, and finally sa Jensen may dumating na po. Ayan, so inside this paper bag is the new AirPods Pro 3. So, ayan. Yung cost is nasa 14,990. Ayan. So, pre-order to. And, ayun. So, buksan natin. So, if you remember, nakapag-unbox na ako ng AirPods 2, AirPods Max, and AirPods 3rd, 4th, or something. So, this is the new one. Ayan. So, why I upgraded this new AirPods Pro 3? Because ang kinaganda po nito is meron na siyang translation if nasa ibang bansa ka. Apple to AirPods to AirPods, if pareho kayo naka Pro 3, so direct translation na siya. And kung if ever naman po hindi siya naka-AirPods, so you can use your iPhone and together with this one, so nagka-translate siya. And many gesture din siya if you're using your Apple Watch the 2nd Gen Pro, is may heart rate na din to, and if you're using Garmin din, so accurate na din siya. Ayan, so unbox na natin. So inside this box is first the manual. Ayun. Second one is this. And yung kinaganda dito is wala na siyang lightning port or Type-C. Hindi kagaya ng previous na AirPods Pro, meron pa. And the AirPods na the Gen lang. Ayun. So meron siyang extra small na tawag dito, the cushion something, ayan, the silicone something, I don't know, nakalimutan pa ng tawag dito, the air something. So ayan na, before kasi is tatlo lang from XS to large. Ngayon po is meron ng extra small sa mga maliliit na tenga. Ayan, so ayun. I don't know kung kasing laki lang siya ng AirPods na 2nd Gen, but ayun, ayan na. Ayan. So ito guys, it's super nice kasi tinatap-tap na lang ito. Ayan, if ever you gonna pair in something, see, wala ng button. Ayan, so kinakailangan mo lang itap to, and that's it. May loop na siya, ganun pa rin. And yung iba is medyo malakas na din if ever na hanapin niyo siya or ipa-find mine niyo siya. So ayan. See? Ayun, sorry to cut you out. Nag-connect kasi siya. So ayun. Ayan. Kinaganda dito is same pa rin siya. Ang kinaganda lang nito is before, kinakailangan mo siyang i-twist or something na diinan or i-pinch to up for the volume. Ngayon is, I just swipe up and like that. So yung kinaganda nitong bagong AirPods Pro 3. Ayan, and ang dami pang bagong features. And pinaganda nito guys is if you're Apple user, pwede nyo rin siyang gamitin for like shutter. Ayun, yun yung another bago ni Apple. Ayan. So if you have Apple Watch, pwede nyo rin siyang gamitin for shutter. This one is meron na din po siya. So ayun, yung kinaganda nitong AirPods na bago ngayon na Pro 3. So medyo expensive, same pa rin naman ang price. Pero hindi naman siya. So that's it. So like I always said, huwag magtipid, magsipag, enjoy shopping everyone. Bye! So there you go guys. Ayan, nasasakyan na ako. And then papakita ko lang yung mismo resibo nila. Yung pre-order something. And yung resibo nila. Ulit-ulit yung resibo ha. But ayan, I'm so happy kasi sabi ni ate kanina, ayan, na ako naman daw ulit yung bagong naka-receive ng AirPods Pro 3. Ayan. So, I'm so happy kasi wala lang, parang ako laging naka-first na unboxing or ano. Same din naman sa Beyond the Box. Meron available na AirPods sa Beyond the Box. Hindi, wala pa rin talagang bumibili. So ngayon is, ayan, ako ulit yung unang nag-unbox and ako din unang nag-review and ako din unang naka-receive ng pre-order nila. So yun lang guys. This is not to brag but inspired. Joke lang. Bye!